can, so you hang around, you go and drive there, grab the food and come back. Okay? Don't leave. Thank you. Start walking. Get ready your umbrellas, your cap, whatever, raincoat, and we walk for 4 kilometers. And everything waiting for us there, we start walking. Then, everybody ready?
Yes.
You okay?
Those of you who are standing, please go and sit in the chairs down there. There are chairs outside that you can sit down. There are chairs inside here you can use to sit down also.
Agnes.
Number on the railing. For those of you who are done, you can find Nisha and give your total number. 1. So the number 1207 in the wristband. And the new number ending with 8, 9, 2, 1. And the man. Wow! 1298. Betul sekali, you get a resistant band. And since you're so pretty, I give you one more present. And the number is 1204. One you power, I give you power bank.
You must draw one.
Number, 1217. You get a waterproof duffel bag. Waterproof. Hey, this one Kelong. Kelong. 1340.